With the 7-Pace Time Tracker and BigPicture integration, you can leverage time tracking information by viewing track time in BigPicture through custom 7-Pace Time Tracker fields, and gain insights into team member capacity. In this demonstration, we'll review how to activate the integration, how to track billable R&D time in BigPicture, and use 7-Pace's Times Explorer to review team member capacity. Let's get started. To begin, from BigPicture, click Settings, Integrations. Select the 7-Pace Time Tracker tab and use the slider to enable 7-Pace Time Tracker integration. Save the change. Next, we'll display two custom time tracking fields in BigPicture, Activity Type and Billable, allowing us to learn more about how team members spend their time. Open a BigPicture project in the Gantt chart. Here, epics and work items display along with original time estimates and actual time spent. Let's add custom time tracking information from 7-Pace to the BigPicture Gantt chart. First, we'll add the custom field for activity type R&D. Then, add billable hours. Now we see additional information from 7-Pace Time Tracker on the Gantt chart, illustrating how the team tracked billable research and development time in the project. 7-Pace Time Tracker strives to provide users with a seamless, integrated tool for tracking time. There's no context switching with 7-Pace Time Tracker. Everything you need to track time exists in Jira. To track time, click the option in 7-Pace Time Tracker for Add Time. Select the date, enter the duration, a comment if necessary, and complete any custom fields, billable and activity type in this example. Save the work log. From 7-Pace Time Tracker's Times Explorer view, click the BigPicture and 7-Pace integration button, and filter for a time period to view capacity notes for each team member. Or group the Times Explorer view by a custom field, such as activity type, to see where team members are spending their time. To summarize, the BigPicture and 7-Pace Time Tracker integration leverages time tracking data to assist your team in keeping projects on track.